Hi everyone, Jeanette here. Very excited to share that I'm going to do the unboxing of my iPhone 16 Pro Max today. It arrived about a month ago, but haven't got time to unbox it. Here it is. I've got lots of storage space. It's 1 terabyte. And I'm going to do more video content, visit more development, visit more project, and share it with everyone here. Thank you, and thank you for your support, and see you at the UnifyPropertyTV. Here is my beloved iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yay! I'm going to really unbox in front of everyone. Here you go. Wow. Okay. Okay, supposed to be the desert color. Oh wow, so nice. It's actually a little bit like pinkish, but under the warm light here, you see it like beige. It's not, it's beautiful. Love it. It's like a little bit of pink, a little bit of violet. Not sure what color it is, but it is supposed to be desert. Yes, so I'm going to do a lot more content next year, 2025, and see you there. Wow. Oh, don't feel like opening this. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, I will have a hard time sticking on the protector. Hopefully no bubbles. Wish me luck. Okay, bye. See you.